Hi everyone. Today we're going to be discussing basic data types in Python. If you're not familiar, data types are important in programming because they indicate to the computer how different data should be interpreted. For example, if you had two variables that were storing text and you said to the computer to add them together, your computer would do something very different than if you had two variables that were holding numbers and you said add them together. Each type of data has its own quirks and use cases, and so we need to ensure that the data that is being worked with in our code is assigned the right type. First up, we've got integers. Integers are whole numbers, no decimal points allowed, and they can either be positive, negative, or zero, but they must be whole numbers. Next, we have floats. So floats are numbers with a decimal point. And so this would be numbers like 5.7 or negative 3.29 or even whole numbers with a decimal point like 4.0. And floats should be used when you need more precision than integers will allow. All right, third, let's talk about strings. Strings are text, like words, sentences, or any series of characters or symbols. Note, you can also store numbers as text, but that should only be done if you're doing that on purpose. Also, a pro tip here, you can either use single or double quotation marks to create a string in Python. Like I mentioned earlier, computers are gonna handle numbers and text differently from each other, so it's super important that we're assigning these correctly. Next, we have Booleans. Booleans are a data type that only have two possible values, true or false. Booleans are often used in decision making in your code or indicating the state of something. For example, you might have some code that you wrote to send your friend an email wishing them a happy birthday on their birthday. And you might use a Boolean variable to indicate whether today is their birthday or not. So most of the year it'll say false, but on that day, when it's their birthday, it'll say true, and then your code will run based on that. So it's been waiting for that state to activate, to run, and to send that email. Fifth, we have lists. So lists are a collection of data in Python. These could be integers, floats, strings, or even other lists. For example, you might have a list named best video games ever, which is full of strings. It's full of text with different video games names. And so it would have Halo 2 and Halo 3 and Halo Reach. No, not Halo Reach. Definitely not Halo Reach. And League of Legends and etc. Lastly, we have dictionaries. And so dictionaries are gonna let you store data in key value pairs. A good example of this is the contact list in your phone. Every name in the list is a key, and every phone number is a value. And so you can look up any value you want by the key, by the name. And in Python, we use curly braces to create dictionaries. If you end up deciding that you want to become an absolute unit of a programmer, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.